Every Python installation includes a testing tool called unittest. You do not need to install anything extra. It is already there, ready to use. Unittest is a built-in module that gives you a structured way to check your code. You group related tests inside a class, and the module runs them for you, reporting what passed and what failed. The very first line imports unittest. Because it ships with Python, this single import is all the setup you need. Here is the tiny function we want to test. It takes two numbers and returns their sum. In real projects, this would live in a separate file, but keeping it here makes the example self-contained. We create a class called testat that inherits from unittest.TestCase. This inheritance is what gives our class all the assertion helpers and tells the test runner that this class contains tests. Every method whose name starts with test underscore is automatically discovered and run. We use self.assertEqual to check that two values are equal, and self.assertIsInstance to check the type of a result. The final two lines let you run the file directly from the command line. When Python executes the file, unittest.main launches the test runner and prints a summary of results. Here we call each assertion directly and print a message afterward. AssertEqual checks that two values are equal, assertTrue checks that something is true, and assertFalse checks that something is false. All three pass, so all three messages print. The two most common mistakes are forgetting to inherit from test case and naming your method without the test underscore prefix. Both cause the runner to silently skip your test. No error, just no coverage. Unittest gives you a solid built-in foundation for testing. Subclass test case, prefix your methods with test underscore, use the assertion helpers, and you are ready. And if you later adopt pytest, your existing tests keep working as is.